Looking for the best camping cooking utensils? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 camping cooking utensils on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Wealers, 11-piece camp kitchen cooking utensil set. Comes in a durable, water-resistant carrying organizer. All knives in this set have a protective sheath. Each tool is made of stainless steel. This set comes with spice hackers. Available in a variety of colors. Rugged and stylish, this cookware set offers a straightforward outdoor cooking experience for any camper. Utensils are on the shorter end, making cooking over an open flame or high heat a bit difficult. At number 2. BOMKI, 13-piece grilling and camping cooking set. Non-standard items like a heat-resistant glove, microfiber drying towel, and pocket knife/bottle opener give this set added utility. Case comes in multiple colors, and utensils are made of stainless steel. Also has spice shakers. This set features additional items to aid in cooking preparation and after meal cleanup. Cutting board is a little on the small side, and the bag features prominent branding. At number 1. NEXGADGET, 27-piece portable camping kitchen utensil set. Coming with 4 sets of dining utensils and all manner of cooking utensils, this set aids in robust campfire or grill cooking. Most items are made of stainless steel. This set even comes with a wine bottle opener. This 27-piece set has everything your camping party of 4 needs for outdoor cooking. More items mean this set will be heavier to transport on hikes. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.